Vine with a quarter turn. Using our right foot to start, weights on your left. We step to the right for 1. We step behind on 2. We quarter turn to the right as you step forward on 3. And you would usually touch or scuff at the end. The first 3 steps followed by a touch or a scuff, or it could be any number of other steps. For this case, we're going to touch. So we step 1, 2, quarter turn, touch. Let's try it with our left foot. Weights on the right foot, vine to the left. First 2 steps of a standard vine. 1, 2, quarter turn to the left as you step your left foot forward, and we're going to follow that through with a touch. Let's try it again. One more time to the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4.